Our honored principal, respectful parents and guardians, and to you, my dear teachers, I feel glad to see you all present at this auspicious occasion of the report card distribution of the morning section of the school. I know that some of you will feel upset on hearing the poor performance of your wards, but I would advise you not to feel upset because there is an annual examination going on. And the more the student tries, the more the student will be successful. But you should take this as an opportunity to try to understand where lies the weakness of your ward. ये report card distribution जो हो रहा है, इसी से आपको opportunity मिलेगा देखने के लिए कि कहाँ आपका बच्चा का कमी है. And you will be able to understand the inherent talent. इस report card से आपको मालूम पड़ेगा उसका talent क्या है. दोनों चीज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. weakness in the subject concerned and the inherent talent is very important. और उसी inherent talent से डॉक्टर बन सकता है, इंजीनियर बन सकता है और नहीं तो बहुत बड़ा एक तो बिजनेस लाइन में जा सकता है, कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर ज्वाइन कर सकता है. इसी उम्र से आपको एक आइडिया मिल सकता है. So the report card distribution is a very important occasion. It is just not that, don't think that it is just only prepared by the teachers. All teachers are well educated, well trained. Each and every teachers are unique. They have got their own ways of teaching, and they have got they are very dedicated. So all the teachers are to be respected. Each of them are unique. So the thing is that the school leaves no stone unturned in its endeavorment to provide sound education with discipline. The first criteria is discipline, and then comes education. So quite often the principal and myself, we sit and plan out things to inculcate, to bring about certain changes in the school's system of education, so as to develop the child's creative skill and to develop the future of the students. Our school is we always try to make it a future-oriented school. A future-oriented school. Remember this in your mind. Future-oriented school. It is not a school that will just come and naam ka vaste khali padhayega and yeah, no. There's such a lot of involvement over here. The students are being taught, and very strong vigilance given over the students about their activities, about their involvement in the class, about how they are studying in the class, about how they are behaving with each other, about how they are responding to the teachers. And in this way, we are coming to understand that how the student concerned will be developed in the society, and how the future of the child will be implemented, will be built. So this is what we are doing at Vikas Bharati High School. And you see, the opportunities are given. We plan out the standard of education to be implemented, and according to that, so many co-curricular activities along with the academic activities are being implemented, and so many opportunities have been provided, like the abacus. Abacus is something very important. It refines the mind को एकदम शार्प कर देते हैं, और माइंड जब शार्प हो जाते हैं तो हर एक सब्जेक्ट कर सकेंगे. अगर माइंड शार्प नहीं होगा तो सब्जेक्ट कुछ भी सब्जेक्ट नहीं कर पाएंगे. अगर सब्जेक्ट किया तो इधर उधर थोड़ा कुछ खींच खाच के मार्क्स मिलेगा, then that is not good, that is useless. So abacus is a thing which sharpens the mind, and along with abacus we have got drawing, art and craft. But you are thinking that drawing and art and craft क्या है? Maybe your outside teachers will be saying, or some other teachers will say, drawing and art and craft में कुछ है नहीं. जरूर इसमें है, because in drawing the student will be using his mind to draw the picture, will going up and down, right and left, and in this way the child will be getting a pattern built in his mind that if I do this, I will get that, if I do that, I will get that, and in this way the child will be developing the creative skill. All such opportunities are being given, but the students do not come. लेकिन बच्चे लोग नहीं आते हैं. जब ये फैसिलिटी देते हैं, बच्चे लोग नहीं आते हैं. पेरेंट्स गार्डियंस भी ध्यान नहीं देते हैं उसको भेजने के लिए. But drawing and art and craft, these are also very important subjects. You see, these facilities are given, even for the little children to motivate them. The park is being made for little children where they can feel fresh in the mind and they can feel motivated. Some of the students do not do their homework. They do not do their homework, and you must see to it that why the students are not doing their homework. They do not come with proper uniform. The uniform is, some of the students come with untidy, with uniform untidy, with improper uniform, and this is not good. If the students look smart, and then other people will tell them, बच्चे लोग बाहर का बच्चे लोग या गाड़ी लोग बोलेगा, देखो आप कितना स्मार्ट लगते हैं, आपका स्कूल का नाम क्या है, विकास भाटिया स्कूल कितना अच्छा लगते हैं, तब बच्चा का मन खुश हो जाते हैं. And in this way, the child will understand how to adjust in the society, will understand the value of the school. But we are giving this, you parents and guardians are not seeing to it that the child is wearing proper uniform. The uniforms, some of the students come with untidy uniform, they come with improper uniform, and sometimes with no patches on, sometimes they're taking the tie, and tie say force deta hai, then that is not good. You see, all these opportunities are given, and our teachers are well qualified, well trained. They have got good number of teaching and non-teaching staff to cater towards your ward. मम्मी मानेगी हर स्कूल में अगर टीचिंग एंड नॉन टीचिंग स्टाफ काफी होगा तो आपका बच्चा को पढ़ाई मिल सकेंगे. और यहाँ में विकास भाटिया स्कूल में नंबर ऑफ टीचिंग एंड नॉन टीचिंग स्टाफ इज वेरी गुड नंबर ऑफ टीचिंग एंड नॉन टीचिंग स्टाफ वी हैव. सो देयर इज नथिंग द स्कूल इज इन डियर टॉप. माने कुछ कमी नहीं है. पूरा पढ़ाई के लिए पढ़ाई को तैयार करने के लिए, बच्चा को भविष्य को तैयार करने के लिए यहाँ में सब कुछ है. दिस इज looking like this is a small school only by look, but if you go to see, the school is a unique school and it has much to offer. There is transparency in the school. Both the principal and the vice